Hey, this is Dylan with Repair Spots. Today in this video, we're going to be going over the initial opening of the register and closing at the end of the day for your register management. So to get started, let's go ahead and go to the sales section within Repair Spots. From here, we'll have the button in the top right, which is going to be for opening and closing the register at the beginning and end of the day. We'll have the option to either do a money in or out, which would be for when you're adding money into the register or taking out money from the register for any reason. If we want to see quickly how that works, we'll simply select the option to either make a money out or take money in, and this will keep track of the money that's coming into your register from other forms. So let's say we're adding $25 here. All right. Next, let's go ahead and close the register. So to close the register at the end of the day after making all of your sales, when you go to the end of day screen, on the left-hand side, we'll have a summary of all of the sales and transactions that have come in through the day, and we'll have total amounts for each different payment method. We'll have a counter for how much the cash register should have at the end of the day. And then on the right-hand side, if we want to verify any of those sales that are being managed here within that end of day, we can see those sales right here. We'll also have a total sales for this time period shown at the top. If there are any notes that we want to add to this end of day, we can do so at the bottom here. And we'll also be seeing that money in and money out that we made before doing this end of day. If we want to use our account helper, we can, instead of typing it in manually, select the different amounts at a time to use this somewhat as a calculator for counting up your cash. We can also simply write the amount here. Now, for this example, I'm going to shorten our amount by $1. Now, if I try to submit it with $1 less, we're going to have a missing amount from the register. And the end of day is not going to let us continue without having a note. If we did meet the expected amount, we would be able to simply create this end of day and then print it out. In this case, we do have to leave a note explaining why we were $1 off. All right. Once we write that note in, we can go ahead and continue to finish this end of day. And then we'll have a notice to be able to print the end of day receipt. And here we'll have our end of day summary. This is also being automatically sent to the email for the shop so that the owner or manager will be able to pass through this information and verify everything. Here we'll have the list of all the sales that are included in this end of day and any other important information about what may have happened during that day. And now, to reopen this register at the start of a new day, we'll come back to this screen, and we'll be able to open the register. Also, if attempting to open the checkout screen while the register is not open, we'll be forced to do our cash count here when creating the checkout. Here we can manually type in the amount that's in the cash drawer, or we can select the different options down here to add up to how much is in the cash drawer. Once that's counted up, we can go ahead and submit our cash count. And that will be opening the day to start taking sales. I hope this helped understanding how to manage your register. Have a great day.